Yes, welcome.
The Quran states that when performing Tayamum, one must use pure dust. What cleansing property does dust have?
Should we use dust when we are making the Tayamum? What is it?
It's only a reminder that you should have ablution before appearing preparing before God in worship. When water is not available, then it works. Tayamum just works as a reminder and for concentration of your attention. It reminds you that you are going to now stand before Allah. You have no water, so you must make do without it. Otherwise, practically it doesn't serve a purpose other than this reminder and drawing your attention to the fact that now concentrate upon appearing before Allah.